Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we will be working on this beauty that actually our mom has found it for us while she was here in the UK.
and now it's time to paint it finally. Prepare for some bold green and pink. That's all I have to say. Now let's get into it.
Let's do it! We started by sanding the inside of the piece with 120 grit, just to get rid of the fine scratches, marks, and then smooth out the wood with 320 grit. We hoovered it and cleaned it with white lightening, which is Dixie Belle furniture cleaner, and we did this inside out. We scrubbed it with an abrasive cloth and the toothbrush between the details, and then we rinsed it twice only with water. I let it dry for a few hours and then I applied an adhesion primer from Dixie Belle Slick Stick in 2 layers. We let it dry for about 24 hours and then it was time to move working on our base coat. So our base coat will be black. We used caviar and the paint roller to save us some time, and also the roller will give us a super smooth finish, as on the top we want to keep it smooth.
For the rest of the piece, the plan is to add caviar combined with texture additive. But we will first go over with the roller really quick, as when we will apply the black texture there will still be some white spots peeking through and it's just so annoying. I mixed the paint with sea spray, which is the texture additive, adding it little by little until I get a medium texture. And I apply the texture all over the piece with a cheap brush by dabbing it. Now I apply Trifro green and I make sure to damp with the brush before and after dipping it into paint. I want the paint to be a bit diluted so I can move it around easily. And also this way it will allow the black underneath to peek through. I used up and down side motions and I kept applying water, so the paint will be damp at all times and just super easy to work with it. Now I added some evergreen and I just layered it over the Trifro green just in random spots. And now we have really interesting color variety and it kinda looks like spots of light. It's just gorgeous. And now let's play with pink. We use two shades, Plum Crazy, which is a darker pink, and a hot one, Peony, for highlight. So, for this step, we dip the tip of the brush in paint and wipe the paint on the, like the excess on a piece of cloth or paper, or in my case always on my pants or t-shirt. And then I just went over those stunning details, first with Plum Crazy and then with Peony, which is our highlight color and is gonna make this combination to stand out. I did a quiet, intense, dramatic dry brushing on this middle detail as it was too good, too stunning not to do something more like extravagant. On the door inside we did something cute, and we applied one of the floral stencil pattern from Bells and Whistles using a sponge and peony, and it just gives lots of character to this piece and also matching with the whole vibe.
Before selling the piece, we will apply the Best Mama Bata in orange group to revive the wood, be fresh and impress our customer. We seal the whole piece with flat clear coat in 3 layers, letting each one to dry for about 2 hours in between.
And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, or it just inspired you in any way. And if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more furniture tutorials. See you next time. Bye!